Hello, in this Python programming video we are going to look at the message box, which is just a cool way of providing some information. You're going to have a button. When clicked it will display the message box. First of all, you need to include the module, so from tkinter import message box, like so. Now what we're going to do is put define func, so def func, and in here we are going to actually launch the message box. So you do message box.show info and you specify a title. So I'm just going to put title so you can see where that goes. Message, where is the main message, and now we're going to have a button to actually activate this function, which we'll call this message box. So window text is going to be something really innovative, and it's going to say click me now. I'll leave it like that, it doesn't matter. And command equals func, so we are calling this function or stuff we've done before, so nothing new here in terms of the function. I mean the function on the button. So btn.place, so where we're actually putting it, we're going to put x equals 0, y equals 0, run it and see what we get. So we get this button. If I click it, it launches this message box with the title here from there and the message from here. And that's it for message boxes. If you want to know more information about all of the different functionality that you can manipulate of a message box, feel free to check out the link that is with this video. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.